until we get closer to it. And so maybe the Monday they get back from Thanksgiving, we get back from Thanksgiving break, they do that. I don't know.
I was looking at some analysis the Washington Times had it talking about 2022 and said, look, one of the stories, and we've touched on it, but not in all the states. It said when you look at California, New York, Oregon, New Mexico, and Nevada, most certainly not red states, but the Republicans made inroads in every one of those states. And the issues don't change.
Yeah.
The issues are still the same.
Yeah, right.
And so what they're saying is that, the Republicans actually, even though they didn't win, they made a great inroads in those states. And if that continues, then I don't see any way that the Democrats are going to back off anything. He said that's something positive to look at in the election. And I would agree.
And maybe it's one of those things that and I don't know. But this could be wishful thinking, but it is a possibility that it is going to have to be a longer game. But certainly it's going to have to be a longer game because the GOP, I believe, did not do the proper messaging and on reality. It's again, the heavy lifting done for you. And if they do between now and 24, that's the big game that they see where they actually get real power. And I guess we'll see.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit DanvilleDiscDoctor.com for more information. That's 925-999-4067 or DanvilleDiscDoctor.com.
Yeah, I love my kids so much. I once sat for 3 hours in the cold rain to watch her soccer team lose by 18 goals.
I love my kids so much, I once used it too to suck snot out of her stuffed nose at 3 a.m.
You win.
Love your kids? Love them enough to make sure they're in the right car seat. From toddlers to tweens, visit NHTSA.gov/the-right-seat to find the right seat for their age and size. Keep them safe. Visit NHTSA.gov/the-right-seat. Brought to you by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Ad Council.
Hi, I'm Smokey Bear, and I made an assistant to help you out, because only you can prevent wildfires.
Hey, Assistant Smokey Bear. Call me Papa Bear, because I'm grilling up dinner. You get it?
Yes. Good job.
So, what should I do with all these coals?
Don't just toss them out. Put them in a metal container because those embers can start a wildfire.
I understand. The stakes are high.
Ha, 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 ha.
Learn more at SmokeyBear.com.
Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forester, and the Ad Council.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Chandra with today's tip for kids from the American Academy of Pediatrics. To keep your family healthy and safe, it's important to be ready if disasters happen. Develop a family communication plan. Make sure your family, including your children, know how to reach each other. Make a kit with first aid supplies, medicine, medical records, and comforting things for your child. Finally, talk about what to do when emergencies happen, like street flooding, a power outage, or a fire. For more, visit healthychildren.org.
Getting a flu shot helps us stay healthy, so we don't miss out on what matters. Like that family movie night your daughter can't live without. Yeah, can't do that. Every year, millions of people in the U.S. get the flu, especially now. Tomorrow's the time to miss on the moment that matters. So get your flu shot. Find out more at getmyflushot.org. Brought to you by the AMA, CDC, and the Ad Council.
Synthetic technology is designed to help keep your rig running, more mileage, and less maintenance. Sitting behind the wheel all day takes its toll with things like hemorrhoids.
Mile cloth. We've been so...
Video clips that we refer to all day long. Speaking of rape, the AMDS. That's next. There's something that happens when you're over 50. It's that moment when you realize the best thing you can do it. Feels right. I'll tell you what feels right to me. Taking my Balance of Nature capsules every day, sourced from 31 whole fruits and veggies. All new preferred customers get an additional 35% discount and free shipping on your first Balance of Nature order when you use the discount code MyTaste. Like me, you almost never see a fruit or vegetable on your plate. Take Balance of Nature's fruits and veggies in a capsule form. That means each day you're getting the maximum nutrition. Want you to experience the Balance of Nature difference? All new preferred customers get an additional 35% and free shipping on your plate. Call 800-246-8.
Su nombre puede cobrar el cheque en cualquier banco sin pagar nada. Cheque en una casa de cambio de cheques.
Balance of Nature.
Today's job market is full of demand for skilled trade workers. Electricians, welders, mechanics, the trades are the backbone of every community. They're also a huge part in making sure the Army National Guard is always fulfilling same ones needed in today's civilian workforce. To hire the best with options from plumbers to helicopters. Users are able to select the trades that best fit their lives. Their resumes are being built with their paid training and part-time service. Find out how you too can learn a trade profession and serve your community and country by visiting NationalGuard.com. Sponsored by the California Army National Guard. Where the California Washington 45.
180 over 111. Your
blood pressure number is
everyone loves a good uncertainty. That's when I woke up, I can't help
blood pressure could be from heart attack or stroke. If you stopped your treatment plan, restart it, or talk to your doctor about creating one that works better for you. Predicting blood steps. Check your blood pressure. Brought to you by the American Heart Association, American Medical Association, and the Ad Council. It might be hard to imagine. As a place where you can find a restaurant on every corner. A place where you can eat like a king for as little as $1. It might be hard to imagine, but this is the same place where the lunches are just delicious.